It's been so long I didn't see you on mine. You change a lot, you look a different guy. I can't stop thinking about you since last night. Do you feel the same?
Good morning, guys. It is Saturday, a new vlog. Welcome to a new vlog, guys. Today is Saturday and we're presently doing buffet. Just want to start out the vlog because we just opened. Guess who set up the buffet? Not me. And guess who took them own little merry time set up the buffet? Me, because guess what? Whenever other person are doing the buffet, everybody pitch in and help. But when me I do it, nobody don't want help, but it's fine. We take a little time, and when you reach 7 o'clock, I say everybody around come. And guess who that shred the whole pot of oats? Me. Anyway, just to start off the vlog, please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and tell a friend to tell another friend to tell another friend. Come over here, so share H-2B lifestyle. And this week, we're going to do better with the vlog. Last week vlog, dead and boring. This week, I'm going to do better. And then the other week, definitely, is going to be much better. So just stay tuned, alright? So, the pool closed because there's literally a storm behind me. I don't know if you can hear me because I use my, hopefully you can, and I think you can, but we closed because there's a storm. And it was closed earlier because there was thunder warning and lightning warning, and then we opened up back for just like 20 minutes, and then now we closed fully and we're going home. Even you can see out that door, like when you look behind me, we never see it like this yet. Never. Since I'm here, I never see it really like this. And it's crazy. We are waiting on the Uber to go home, and we're just glad. We're kind of glad. We make quite fewer money today at the pool, even though I didn't work long because it was kind of busy. And it sucks. It sucks because we could have made so much more money. But such is life. You win some, you lose some. Yeah, so that is it for today's Saturday. You know, I can't believe it was just the other day I had my day off, and it seems like my day off is coming so fast again, because tomorrow is Sunday, then you have Monday, then my day off Tuesday, Wednesday. I just can't wait. And then I'm gonna prepare for my vacation to come. You're gonna see me packing in this vlog, and I'm gonna show you, like, in the next vlog, I'm gonna show you what I'm buying and all those stuff to get ready for the vacation. And then in the next vlog, I'm going to show you the expenses, like all of the expenses. Maybe I just dedicate one video for that, you know. Yeah, but just keep it on the loop. Yeah. Anyway, that's it for today, and I catch you back tomorrow. Yeah.
Maybe I should let you go. Should've let you just walk on by. Never said hi.
All with me and my big Jasper.
We would never know
Turn here.
just how hard it feels to open up.
Oh, this one. My next one. Follow this.
We can't turn back now, 'cause we come too far to not leave the broken hearts. Yes, so inside the soul, just couldn't stand to let you walk away. So
Can you see care before you?
it may be a time to figure out just what these moments all about. All we guaranteed is a little chance. Oh, I don't want
Good morning, guys. It is Sunday. It's a rainy morning, and the place look like it's like storm. They said it was a storm, so this is a storm. Yeah, basically get up and come out work early. Then my side work and now here waiting. And I think it's gonna be busy now because the rain is. But you have people on in the hotel, so I guess the hotel guests will come for breakfast. But differently from that. But you said that the sun will come out like around 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, so let's see. If not, we're gonna go home today. Don't mind that at all. But tomorrow's Monday and then Monday off. Like, it's just so glad for the little 2 days now. Now I'm officially gonna get me 2 days now. Like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Both from both places. So I have 2 full days off. So I can do something good with Uno for Uno. Yeah. And then I'm gonna edit. Make sure I'm gonna edit for Tuesday. So that I'm not in a rush Wednesday. I'm gonna feel drained Friday. So I'm gonna just do all the kind of things that we need to do and sort out the vlog. I'm happy. Guys, look at I can't manage. Look at the sun bright. The sun is as bright as morning star. Something goes on. But anyway, you realize how this morning how it did a rain, and then look at this sun out. And I was hoping that it continued to rain because I didn't want to go to the pool. Anyway, one more day into my day off. One more day. Can't wait. So, yeah. Pool it is. Just got tough for today, yeah? Good morning, guys. So, it is Monday. And I am so happy because guess what? After today, my day off, I don't have to wake up so early. Like this morning, the alarm go off. Just like kiss me teeth. Just can't bother like me and say really me have to get up. Like me start contemplate life. Anyway, you don't know some I love Tesla, right? I love Tesla. And I want Tesla to come pick me up today. Yes, from leave Miami till now I have not driven back in a Tesla. And wanna come pick me up. Because when me booked the Uber, it said the ride is far away, so I make sure I book it from early. And I was there searching till somebody pick it up. So yeah. Anyway, today not gonna be so busy, and I just can't wait for the day to over. Girl, my girl come back at work today. It seems like a forever. Like whenever she's at work, she just make work so lively. She's so fun and like me love that, you know. And even when the place feel hot, hellish or heavy, she just make you feel light. I'll be kind of happy to see she come today, even though she come 2 o'clock. So I'm gonna do that before her. Morning, guys. So today is Tuesday and it's my day off, you all know that. But I'm here deciding if I should pack a carry-on. I know it's a week before, but guess what? I'm working up until the day, so I just need to organize some stuff first. And guys, remember last week when I said we're not buying anything, we don't need to buy nothing because we have enough clothes. Guess who buy clothes? Guess who buy more clothes? I look there. Anyway, yeah, I was just deciding if I should pack a carry-on or just do a check-on bag. And I literally started to pack the carry-on. And the other clothes have not come yet. Plus, my camera, them not gone in there yet. Plus, more have options. You know, a girl have to have options. And we just start thinking about it and I say, I might as well just do a check-on bag, a travel light, plus I can carry everything. And not only that, my lotions and colognes, I don't have to be worried about them throwing it away or it not enough, because you know you have to have a small amount in your carry-on bag. You're not supposed to carry liquid on the plane. So might as well just do a check-on bag, $30 feet. So do that, have enough, and if anything, me buy anything go mall or so, me have space, can put it in the suitcase, even though I'm not planning to buy anything. Yeah, so that's what I think I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do the check-on bag, so I have options just in case, because you know sometimes you have an outfit in your mind, and then when you put it on, it's like you're not feeling the outfit. That is me a lot of time. So the more options I have, the more I can choose, and it's for 1 week, so I need enough clothes. And not only that, my womanly thing probably come around that time. It's irregular, but it probably come around that time, so I need to pack some of those stuff. So I'm gonna have to buy unnecessary stuff. Yeah, understand? Because I already have it. I don't need to buy an unnecessary, and I don't need to buy sunscreen because I already have it. So I pack what I have, save money. Yeah, that's what I think. So that's what I'm going to do now today. That's what I'm going to do. And I need to clean up the room. The room is a mess. The room needs to vacuum and all this stuff. And probably cook. I washed last night. And I need to apply for some job. Every week, I say, I need to apply. I'm going to. This week, now pass, and I have to do it. Hey guys, for the year, and with the Amazon, I look for they call it fanny pack or fanny pack. Never know somebody I have one. Look how much I waste my money buy a fanny pack, but I was buying the one that I put around the leg, and I might just still buy it, you know. I might still buy it, maybe, depending, but look there. And it's not even a bad color, it's like an army green color, so it can practically wear with almost everything. Like, is it? I say, no, you don't need to buy nothing, you know, you just need to check your closet. Like, what? Anyway, I'm also going to pull out my hair today. I'm going to pull it out, breeze it for a while, and then do it the day before. That's what I'm going to do. I'm not going to take forever doing it, because I'm going to do passion twist. Passion twist take easy if you do. And the reason why I wanted to do that, because I'm planning to wear a hat too, because Florida hot. By the way, guys, I'm tired about the place. Yes, I'm tired about the place. Now I'm gonna clean the bathroom. Not my week to clean it, but I'm not gonna be here next week. And then I wanted to intercept the other two girls, because you know Jamaican clean better, and I don't want when me clean it, my roommate clean it, and then we have to wait 2 weeks for the bathroom clean properly. So last week the other girl cleaned it. The week before was my roommate, so I'm going to clean it so that the other girl can clean it the other week, and then my roommate can fall back, so we can have interlock, if you understand. So I'm currently washing the bathroom mat and the bathroom curtain and sweep out the place. So it is now like 2:02. Hopefully I can get all this done, so I can probably sit down around my laptop and do some research, do some things, edit something, do something as it relates to you guys. Yeah. I still need to pull up my hair. When we do it tomorrow morning, I don't know, or later on tonight. But let's see how the day goes, okay? But let me show you some clean up the place and I line up. Cap, yeah? Yeah, sit there. Nobody look on the whole thing, sit there, everything in place. Don't watch that, that is my laundry basket. Over this actually, listen. And in my yard me there, just know that this is it. My roommate now, you don't know why she give me so much chocolate, like she want me to get fat. But up here is like my daily stuff. This is what I bring in the bathroom daily, with little makeup stuff and something. So that's that. You don't really need to organize that. Here so is when me use once in a while, like me here stuff, right? Roommate things them over there. So yeah, so I need to take up this, but I still snack on it. But yeah, that is it. This clean. Don't worry. So you see, I am being proactive. The place was a mess just a while ago, as you guys can see. but it's back in business. So I just clean the bathroom, shower, and then get some soft work done. From I wake up, I've been organizing and so forth, and planning like what I'm gonna take with me. And I'm so glad that I did it today, because if I had waited until the day before that week, it wouldn't work out. The good thing, the package is coming. Some of the clothes is coming that I plan to wear, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to pack the suitcase and what I'm going to pack in the suitcase this week, so that you can have an idea what I'm taking and maybe where I'm going. I still have some few more stuff coming that I purchased today, so it's going to come in 2 days because I bought it from Amazon. But yeah, I'm just going to show you like the basic stuff. The other stuff that's coming is like hair and like matching outfit with me and my brother. Yeah, clothes. But other than that, I'm going to show you what I'm going to bring and why I decided not to take a carry-on. Good morning, guys. So today, what is today? Today is Wednesday, another day off. Oh, Jesus. 2 days off back to back feels so lovely. And if you can see my hair, yeah, I already start pulling it out from the far locks, because I realize that it is much easier when I am installing it. I just bend it and then wrap it, and then when I'm taking it out, I can just draw it out like this. So it makes it much easier. So all of the hair is still in. So last night when I was doing other stuff on the phone, I would just go in with my hand, and like I show you this one. This one, nothing come out, as you can see. And I just go inside the middle, and I just find my hair and just draw it out. And I find that method easy to just unlock or to just take out. I don't know why this one takes so long. You want to try embarrassing pan camera, you know? Try embarrassing pan camera, like in the normal take so long. Because if you can see right here, so me here stop. See me here, say it been right here, so we can cut it right here, because me know so me here and go all the way down, but I'm not going to chance that. So I just unwrap it for a bit, find me here in the middle, and pull it out. See there? Pull it out, and then now once me know my hair is out, I just clip it off. So that's what I'm gonna do today. Gonna and that, see, no hair inside, and then it's easy to come out. The rest just unwind it, and then here you go. Look, easy peasy, easy peasy. Look at that. 1, 2, 3. I'm free. Anyway, so today I'm going to be proactive today. I'm going to be really proactive today. Watch. Like, I'm going to ask no question. I'm going to be very proactive. I'm going to do editing. Probably do one like H-2B video and just get it out there. Do one video. I also have a Shein package coming in for my vacation. I don't think I'm going to do one all, because we want to just be surprised. And it's nothing fancy. It's just like shirts and whatever. Nothing fancy, because if you don't know me, I am not really fussy. So it's nothing really fancy. So don't look for excitement and all these things. That is not me. One thing was cancelled though, because I wanted to bring like glasses, and I wanted a glasses case where I can put 3 glasses in it, and that's just to save space. And I don't have to worry about that anymore, because I'm not doing a carry-on, I'm doing a suitcase. So I'm going to just pay for the suitcase, because for one, my camera is big. The camera can't hold another carry-on, and I don't want to bring it in my hand. And as I said yesterday, I have lotions. Like, I don't want to buy all of those stuff. So my roommate was saying, when buy it when you go down. Yeah, buy it when you go down, but the same money I'm going to use, might as well just carry the suitcase and check out in the bag, and just walk free. So all I'm going to have is my little bag. Let me show you. This little bag with me. And everything check on. You get me? So that's that. One thing, you know, my brother is a very late sleeper. Like, he will sleep until 2 o'clock and he think he might go to that on the vacation. No, so I can't sing so. Better wake up early, better learn to go in bed early. Because I'm not having it. The excursion costs over $1,000 and not wasting my money. If you're tired, you better go sleep on the rides. But I'm excited. It's like it's sort of weird. We excited to go because we never got the place before. We're also excited to see my brother. I don't know if my brother excited, but he don't know where exactly. I don't think him know. So I don't know if him that excited like we go Florida, cause when I was telling him about Florida, him say ain't Florida hotish, like him probably not go on like the eat. But guess what? Him probably not get another experience like this, and him big sister gave my experience. So I better take it. You get me? Right. Right, so we there. So just I'm gonna finish in here and then wash it. I'm also going to dye it because I did buy a black dye. And then I'm just gonna rock my hair natural for the rest of the week until, oh yeah, and the hair is coming tomorrow. Other stuff that I bought is coming tomorrow. What did I buy on Amazon? Anyway, I'm gonna include the stuff that I buy in the other vlog so that you guys can purchase them if you don't want to purchase them. Anyway guys, so I'm gonna finish and pay attention before I cut my hair.
We've come so far since we began this love. Been through the trenches, seen so many ups and downs.
I'm finally done with my hair, so now I'm going to pull this mess out.
Can push my ego out the way, let you know it'll be okay. Yeah. Whenever times get rough, you ain't gotta be tough. I found a way to go back in time, found a way we can press rewind. So I'll be standing right there in the middle of a circle with my arms out wide, trying to turn back
This much left. This is the hardest part. I thought taking out the locks was the hardest part, but no. This is the hardest part. Alright guys, so I finally done pull out the hair. Done pull out the hair, and as I done pull out the hair, I'll say, I'm gonna check pan the peas because I'm gonna cry some peas, guys. Guys, listen. Don't mind the underarm. But as I say, I'm gonna check the rice and peas. Here comes my box. Shein box. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna play it before you. I'm not gonna do no review because you're gonna see it on the vacation. I don't want to spoil my outfit. You get me? I say now I want to spoil the outfit. So just gonna pull it and then just gonna show you. Not gonna try it on, and then on my vacation you will see the fit. How my song. Alright. So it then just knock on the door and I say, I want to open the door. I'm gonna put it on the door, Miss Biblical box. So yeah, this is the vacation package. Mega try them on. Alright, so this is my compressed bag. Like I'm gonna put the clothes in there and just shrink it down. Material good, everything. So all I'm gonna do is just take the belt out of the pants because we have the pants for this. Put it in there and outfit. So I'm not share no more because that's for the next vlog. Alright guys, so I'm going to dye my hair black. This is what I'm going to use the Revlon. I bought it the other day and we hear no all that bad. It just I just want to have a different color and I don't want to go whatever. I just like it and my hair fully jet black. So that's what I'm going to do. So first I'm going to mix it because the instructions said I should do this first, and I'm just going to follow the instruction and then do it.
Baby, I'm not going home with y'all. Mini skirt on. Do foreign cars. I make rich look richer. Just save your breath, baby. I'm not going home with y'all. Centerfold, hard to hide it. Oh, on the walls, in the writing. If we stay, we're complacent. Too much time to be wasted. I don't wanna lie to you like this. I don't wanna fight with you like this. We gon' pay the price if we blinded. Oh, baby, don't you wait on me. Baby, don't you wait on me.
Alright guys, so today was a full day. I spent most of the day doing my hair. As you saw, I got my package and I cooked yesterday also. I cooked curry chicken and rice yesterday. My hungry not eat done from morning, and seriously I may eat now. It is 4:45, so it's not too early and it's not too late. So I think I'm gonna eat this now and then eat some later when my roommate come. So that is it for today. As you can see that I was super busy doing other stuff, like I dyed my hair and then I had to wash the bathroom again even though I cleaned it yesterday. I should have do it yesterday. I should have done my hair yesterday. That much should I do, but I never did think. Anyway, that is that. And I'm gonna just eat this and I'm gonna edit the vlog. Edit, not start yet. We need to start because you know the weekend set, right? You know after today we have another day and we need to at least get the easy part, the hard part out first. Yeah, like the cutting and the trimmings and the yeah. We need to get the intro, all of that. We need to get that out and we need to get the post notification because if we don't get that, we don't want to stay up in the night, Friday night, and try if we do this. Just need to do this. So I'll get you back tomorrow. Yeah. Good morning, guys. So today is Thursday and I'm at work, obviously. It's a very chill morning. I don't think it's going to be busy. I don't know. I hope it do get busy so that I can make at least $100 today. Despite that, I'm fine. But I do want to say that you guys are awesome. You guys, big up on a nice clean self. Uno deserve a Grammy. Like yesterday I was ranting about the vlog being boring and it's repetitive and all this stuff, and I get a whole lot of comments saying that the vlog is not boring, just do what we have to do, whatever, like big up Uno self. Like if I was demotivated, now I'm motivated to continue doing the vlog because as I said, I just want to be consistent, and even though it's rough, it's hard, right? It's rough. I'm just gonna do it. You get me? I'm just glad that you guys knock some sense into me. Anyway, next week, look out for next week vlog because next week is where all of the shenanigans go down. Yeah, next week. So make sure look up clippings of me packing in this one, but it's the next one. The next one is where I see everything. You're gonna see room tour. You're gonna see outfits and all those stuff, where I'm going, and we still not found our guest places, but we're not gonna reveal it just yet. In the main right, I don't know. And I also feel like I want to add a bonus to it, like go somewhere else, just an additional bonus, because you know we have to live here with the Orlando things that if we do might just add something, just do a day pass or something. So yeah, I am fully prepared. Like my suitcase packed like said me I go away for a month. Like me not buy nothing else, nothing more, me not buy nothing more until me leave here. Like me have too much stuff, like how the hell me I go travel, go to my next employer, me have to send 2 bucks. Like me literally buy some stuff for the vacation and my suitcase pack. Like me so sure know when me put in my suitcase. I'm so sure know how me fully pack it. But I am ready. And I'm excited. Cause my brother yesterday I said, hey, make sure you're ready now. And he's asking about if we're going to a park or something. So when you get there, you will know. Cause you don't really know. But he just knows I'm going to go Orlando. So I'm excited for the 1 week. My roommate's supposed to be glad too. Cause she get to her room by herself. She not to hear me tired snores. She can never get up on the stair bar. She can chat and do anything that she want. But yeah, I'm excited. I don't know why me book flight 5 a.m. you know. No, me after I think about how I'm going to reach the airport. I have to leave about like 3 o'clock, 3:30 just to check in and all them something there. But where there's a will, there's a way. Yeah, we'll make it work. If it's even to book a stay in a room or Airbnb close by the day before, we're gonna make it work. I'm so excited. Like I just want to meet new people, have fun, and yeah. So stay tuned for all of the good shenanigans. Guys, me literally tired. I don't know what getting to me, but last night I wake up 2 o'clock and then I drop back asleep, and then I wake up back 4 o'clock, and from wake up 4 o'clock I just never go back asleep, just get up and start get ready. And now me I feel the after effect. I'm tired, but I'm tired, and only to know that me have to go home, put in the clip here and just take time fine tune it so that tomorrow I'm gonna have to have all this work and it can upload in time, download in time and upload in time. But we had a mandatory meeting for all employees. I went, it was just 1 hour, and yeah, never miss, like if we never go mood miss nothing. Anyway, then you just wait on the bathroom. Every time I come down, you say bathroom room closed, and I better say employer in there. Like it's this slow, it dead. Thank God I made little money in the morning. Alright guys, so I just reach home and some of my package them reach. But as I said, I'm not going to show no what in there because if I show it to a gateway, because I don't want to show no. Some more package will come tomorrow. So I'm just going to take them and put them in the suitcase. But I'm going to try them on for my purposes. Next week, when we see everything. You get me? Alright. Guys. Good morning guys. So today is, what's today's? Today's Friday. Today is Friday and them already start off with them baga baga. Can you believe that I'm the only server today with a training, so I have to be training. Plus today Friday normally busy in at the restaurant. I already have a 20 top, like it not come yet, but there's a 20 top. And I'm gonna put a picture right here so you can see how we have to rearrange the tables to seat 20 people. We already have 2 customers, the only server. We don't have a runner. If I had a runner, and that would be good. But we have a boss and we have a hostess, so should be good. What I can do is let the girl run the food, tip her out, you understand? Anyway, you just run come about to use the bathroom because when the pressure is on, I don't want to have to be stopping to come to the bathroom. Alright guys, so me alone as server have on 20 top and it did run smooth, not to lie. Make the most money in the morning in the mail room today because obviously there's no one there to split the tip with. The girl that I was training, I gave her some of the money, and busser and the runner, so I practically gave out almost $100 in tips because of the little help. But it ran smoothly, like honestly, and the manager came back and said, hey, thank you for my compliment, we never get flustered and all them something there, while everybody did frustrated us, so maybe it not bother me, as we say. So that is that. Right now I go to the pool. Me say no busy and it look like it's slow for you, like nobody is there. Anyway, I go walk out because some people are walk come out and I don't want them see me. So when we reach in the bathroom, we continue. Alright, so Jesus, I lost my shirt already. What if I shower kit? I'm going to do it. Alright, so just reach at the pool. But I remember when I said that in the last clip, but we just not tell about the whole room thing. Like one person called out, as I say. Well, me and I was supposed to be the only one working, and because of that, it kind of rough. We never did have no runner, so the host went to run food, and then the manager stepped in and seat some table. That's all I can say. It ran smoothly because I was calm and collective and never made nothing stress me out. So that is that. After I give the girl the money, the girl was so excited because she was like, I didn't know that I was going to get anything because she's on training. But she took some tables and she helped a lot, so why not give her, Can't be selfish sometimes. And then the host will give him money even though he was supposed to go host thing, but him help out earn food, and fair is fair. So it is that. Made the most today. That's good. And now I'm here, see if we can make $100 a year. So make $100 a year, so it's good because next week, me not go work, and every little money count right now. So I'm gonna lose like probably $2,000 out of my paycheck or more, but Yeah, try to catch up right now. You understand? So it is that my hero come today. My packages coming today. So I'm gonna try to see if we can do me here on Monday. I am doing passion to say not go hard, not go take long. That is good, and then prepare. So just stay tuned to all the shenanigans. Today is Friday, as you all know, and it's the end of the vlog. So if you reach this far in the video and you have not yet subscribed, like we are weapon. If you reach this far, the fact say you reach this far, just subscribe, like the post, like it, and tell a friend, share it to their friends and families, you know. Let them know, say yes, people over here live H-2B lifestyle, this is how them live it, you understand? Yeah. Yeah, and stay tuned for next week. Next week is going to be a grand time, okay? Grand time. All right.